If you find when you use the half motor board and there are noise in the motors and sleeves, please follow this video to fix the noise. At first, we need to take out the sleeves. Before we take out the sleeves, we need to use the remote to control the board to rotate in high speed for 10 minutes. Okay, now let's show you. Now we control it to the top speed and then activate the cruiser mode. Okay. Now it will rotate for 10 minutes and the temperature will be high. Please be careful, these 5 screws are easy to strip. And now we use some tape to fix it.